guys, it's Miguel again. So I was about to create a new YouTube thumbnail, and I'm not sure if you guys are looking for the same thing, but I thought I would do a quick video at the same time so you can learn as I go through a YouTube thumbnail. So what we're going to do right now is, for myself, what I'm doing is I'm just looking for a YouTube thumbnail. So it's either already in my recent search or you would have to type it out. So when you have it here, you have so many YouTube thumbnails that you can create, just to give you an idea, right? And some of them are free, and some of them obviously going to cost you $1 or $2 at the most. But, you know, like having a very nice YouTube thumbnail could be amazing. So look, right now, like for myself, you know, I'm into the digital marketing. So I see the guy with the coffee or the woman with the coffee. So you know what? I like the design out here. I don't even have to change anything. Okay, so I can create on this one. I can use this template. We'll see if this one is free or not. And as I'm looking right now, this looks all free, my friend. So it's pretty good. So what I'm gonna put over here is, I'm gonna say, create a YouTube thumbnail. There we go. So I can create this. If I don't like the color, right, I can go up here, say YouTube. Let's see if that's gonna work here. It's gonna change it. YouTube. I can click on the plus sign here. I can move it more to the red so it has the same color as YouTube. Create, and then let's say I want to underline this one here. Put here, and I'm gonna put out a little bit. How do we say that in English? Underlining, right? So create a YouTube thumbnail. You can create so many things as well. So let's go say images. I want photos. And what do I want to create here? Social. So I'm looking at social here. I can add this one here, right? So here you go. So you have a big picture up here. You can drag it to make it smaller. Okay, so hopefully that you guys can hear me out pretty good. Again, in French, so bear with me. And if you have any questions about what I'm doing right now, you can ask me questions on YouTube as well, so no problem with that. So I put something like, perhaps I'm going to use, see that little square here where it says transparency. So I'm going to click on that, and I'm just going to fade it out, right? So because I'm fading it out, it kind of blends in with the background, which is black. So right now I'm going to put it a little bit fade away again more. See this, so it kind of look cool. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to perhaps center it more. I'm going to fade a little bit more too, just so I can see it a little bit. As you can follow along, right? So this is pretty simple, guys. Look at this. So the other guy is gonna see this, you know, they might not just see it really properly because it's only a YouTube thumbnail, but it can be good, right? So it gives you an idea on things that you can do. Like if you don't like that picture, you can select so much more picture. If you want to add a text, no, let's click on text out here, and then I'm gonna click once, and then you can put word like amazing graphics. And right now you don't see anything right now because it's in black, so I'm going to change the color. I'm going to put it in white right here, and I can put exclamation point if I want right here. Amazing graphic, and then you kind of, I don't know, you can like turn it around, make it cooler, you know, kind of like aligns with the guys with the hand right here. See, amazing graphics. I want to put it, let's say, in yellow. I'm gonna click on the plus sign here, boom, and then here you go. I have some yellow going on, and then I can like fade this a little bit away too. Amazing graphics. And by the way, guys, I haven't mentioned this, but if you don't like the font, you can change it right here. It says Open Sans Extra. You can click on this and look at all the design that you can get from this. So let's see, you want to make something cool. Let's say you want to attract maybe a younger audience. For younger audience likes cool stuff, you know, like kind of look much better, right? So let's see, some maybe later. So I'm going to click on this here. This one. So you can upgrade if you want, you know, they're going to do their upgrading stuff, but I'm just going to go with the free stuff right now. And if it's too big for you, you can minimize it, right? Look, you can handle this perfectly like that. And then amazing graphics. Look at this. So I think this is pretty good. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to name a name for this one here. Create, or just YouTube thumbnail, right? I'm going to download it. Again, they're trying to upgrade me with their stuff, but then again, you don't have to. So once this is done, just go grab it and use this as your thumbnail. So as you can see here, if I'm dragging it a bit better so you can see, this is a much better view for you guys. And I'm having a little bit of difficulty here to minimize this, but hopefully you guys have an idea out here. So I'm recently just starting to build some videos for you guys. I'm going to get better at it, but hopefully that you enjoy this quick little education video. You know, I accept constructive criticism, so please let me know if you didn't like something in it, or if I should add more stuff into my content. So that was Miguel from edigitaltips.com. Have yourself a wonderful, amazing weekend, because it's Saturday here. Take care, guys. Bye-bye.